So here I need to find total response of the system. Basically, finding a total response of a system is nothing but solving a difference equation. Whenever they ask solve a difference equation of something like this, it's nothing but finding the total response. And again, finding a response is nothing but finding the input output y of n here. Okay. So since, as I told you, total response is nothing but both I have to consider initial conditions as well as the input here. And since the initial conditions are given, I have to take what? Unilateral Z transform, right? Okay, so we'll try to solve it. So solution. So I'll take Z transform of this difference equation. Which Z transform I want to take? Unilateral Z transform. Why? Because initial conditions are given, right? Okay. So Z transform of y of n is y of z minus of 3 by 2 into what is the Z transform of y of n minus 1? It is a unilateral Z transform. It is z power minus 1 into y of z plus y of minus 1, right? Plus 1 by 2 into what is the unilateral Z transform of y of n minus 2? Z power minus 2 y of z plus z power minus 1 y of minus 1 plus y of minus 2 is equal to x of n. And what is x of n? 1 by 2 power n u of n. And what is the Z transform of 1 by 2 power n u of n? Z divided by z minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now we'll apply the initial conditions. What is the value of y of minus 1? It is 4. This is 4. Y of minus 1, this is 4. And y of minus 2, this is 0. Okay. I'm sorry. This is 10. So this will be 10. So just make change of y of minus 2. Y of minus 2 is 10. We'll solve this. So what we get is y of z minus 3 by 2 into z power minus 1 y of z plus 2 ones are 2 twos are, so it is 3 twos are, I get 6 here, and it's not plus, it's minus because I have minus here, so it is minus plus, so it is 1 by 2 into z power minus 2 y of z, and this is 4 by 2, it is 2 times plus 2 times z power minus 2, right? Sorry, 2 times z power minus 1 plus, so this is 10 by 2, it is 5 is equal to z divided by z minus 1 by 2. Okay, now I'll take y of z common in this term. What do I get? 1 minus 3 by 2 z power minus 1 plus this part 1 by 2 z power minus 2, and what is the remaining part? Minus 5 plus 6, minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1 plus, and one more term is remaining, which is this part 2 into z power minus 1 is equal to z divided by z minus 1 by 2. Okay. Now if I take this to the right hand side, so y of z into 1 minus 3 by 2 z power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 2 is equal to z divided by z minus 1 by 2. This remains as it is, and this whole part I'll take it to the right hand side, so this is plus 1 minus 2 into z power minus 1. Okay, so this is what we had in the previous step. So let me just continue with the simplification. Z divided by z minus 1 by 2 plus, so I'll multiply numerator and denominator with z minus 1 by 2 divided by z minus 1 by 2 minus, here also I'll multiply numerator and denominator by z minus 1 by 2, so it is 2 z power minus 1 into z minus 1 by 2 divided by z minus 1 by 2. Just to take the common denominator, I am multiplying this, so this becomes what? Z minus 1 by 2 is the common denominator, z plus z minus 1 by 2 minus 2z power minus 1 into z, these two cancels out, I get 2, and this is minus into minus plus 1, right? So this happens to be z plus z is 2z, and this is this is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 is minus 3 by 2 whole divided by z minus 1 by 2, right? Okay, I made a mistake here. So it is 2z to the power minus 1. Here 2z power minus 1 into 1 by 2 is, so this is actually z power minus 1, right? So the z plus z, 2z, minus 1 by 2 minus 2 is minus 5 by 2. So this is minus 5 by 2 plus z power minus 1. Okay. Okay, so this y of z into 1 minus 3 by 2 z power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 2. This is what we have, right? So what I'll do, since I need y of z, so I'll retain y of z here and I'll take this to the other side. So what I get is y of z is equal to 2z minus 5 by 2 plus z power minus 1 whole divided by z minus 1 by 2. This I retain as it is into, so if I take this to the other side, 1 divided by, let me directly, okay, anyhow, 1 minus 3 by 2 z power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 2. Fine. Now since it is negative power, I'll convert it to positive power by multiplying z square in the numerator and denominator. And okay, so let me just directly simplify this. I end up with, so when I multiply z square to the numerator, what do I get? 2z cube minus 5 by 2 z square plus, this is z, right, whole divided by, so this is one pole z minus 1 by 2, and when I multiply this and factorize it, I get two poles. Since it's a second order system, I end up with z minus 1 into z minus 1 by 2. Okay, and this is nothing but what? 2z cube minus 5 by 2 z square plus z divided by, so this pole is repeating, so z minus 1 by 2 whole square into z minus 1. So if I bring it in the form of x of z by z, y of z by z is equal to 2z square minus 5 by 2z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square into z minus 1. So this is what we get. Okay. Now I need to perform partial fraction expansion. So what do I get? Y of z by z is, it's a repeated root. How do we perform repeated root? So okay, this is 1 plus b divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square plus c divided by z minus 1. Okay, so where since I have solved many problems on repeated root, I am not writing the formulas. I'll directly give you the values of a and b. So where a we get 0, comma, b we get minus 1 by 2, and c we get 2. Just check these values. So therefore if I plug these values here, what do I get? Y of z by z is equal to, a is 0, I get 0, and b is minus of 1 by 2 divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square plus c is 2 divided by z minus 1. Okay, so now I'll take this z to the other side. Y of z is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2 into z divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into z divided by z minus 1. If I take inverse z transform on both side, so what do I get? It's a causal system. Okay, so minus 1 by 2 into, what is the inverse z transform of z divided by z minus 1 by 2 whole square? It is n into 1 by 2 power n minus 1 u of n minus 1 plus 2 into, what is the inverse z transform of z divided by z minus 1? It is u of n. So this is the total response of the system.